Hello children, good morning everyone. Children, as you all know that we are going to start FA1 unit test 1 from Thursday, right? And I hope everyone are preparing well and doing your revisions and submitting your revisions to your all the subject teachers, right children? So here today I am going to explain you all the pattern of the question paper. Already we have sent the blueprint through the WhatsApp, but once again I am going to tell you. Children, everyone have to write down all the FAs in the city books, particular that concern subject city books. Okay, what the question paper will be sent on in the morning of that particular subject. You need to copy down all the questions in the book without making any mistake, without scribbling it. You first make sure that make yourself, prepare yourself that you are going to write it with the pen, and anywhere you are not going to scribble the words or scribble the book, you will be getting cut-off marks. If I see anywhere any scribblings or any cuttings, I will be cutting half mark for one mistake. One scribble, half mark will be deducted. Okay, so be perfect, think before writing. Anyhow you will be having more than one day. That means the next day you are going to submit the answer script to the teacher, right? So prepare yourself well. Practice without making mistake in the rough notebook. Practice. Anyhow you guys are writing in the revision books, that's fine. But even though practice once again. So Roman 1 you will be having meanings. Anyhow you are getting only unit 1. No poem. Okay, maybe we have given poem from poem 1 in the what we call syllabus paper, but poem 1 is not there for you. Only unit 1. What is unit 1 for you all? I think a precious drop of water, right? Only precious drop of water only you need to prepare. Question answers, grammar, all the bits, everything you need to prepare only from the unit 1. Don't go to poem 1. Okay children? Meanings, opposites, synonyms. Synonyms means what? Synonyms means what? The word which have the same meaning, okay, which we are given in the textbook. Next one is choose the correct answers. Here you have the choosing, picking a multiple choice. From that you need to pick up and write down which is the correct one. Write the correct spelling of the given words. Some words are spelled and written incorrectly. That means the spelling of some words are wrong. For that particular word you need to write down its actual spelling. Okay children? Next is question answers. Copy down all the questions and write down the answers. Next comes grammar part. Write down what type of sentences these are. Identify the given sentences. Okay, you will be getting few sentences. You need to identify which type of sentence it is. Then write it down in the given space. Next one is punctuate the following. Follow the punctuation marks and capital letters wherever it is required. And you all know what is punctuation marks. Full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation marks, inverted commas, right? So these kind of marks are known as punctuation marks. And capital letters are necessary in the whenever we are writing the sentence. And next one is look at the picture and answer the following. This is given from the textbook. This picture is there, right? So by looking at this picture, the questions will be given to you all. For that you need to answer it by looking into the picture. This one I think already the Sharda ma'am have explained you all how to write, and she made you all write down the question answers. Those question answers. Okay children, write down the test in the presence of your mother. Sit in front of your mother or father, write down. Don't copy. Don't think the teacher is not around, we can copy. I know you guys will not copy, even though I am telling you. As you guys are in home, writing from home. Okay? And write down neatly, correctly. Think and write you still have 3 days to the exams to start. So in these 3 days, I mean whatever the given time is there, in that you prepare yourself and write down neatly, and I want everyone to get full marks, 25 out of 25. No cutting, no scribbling. Make sure whatever you are writing correctly and neatly. Handwriting is important. If handwriting is not neat also, you will be losing 1 mark there. 1 mark will be cut off if that handwriting is very dirty. If I am unable to understand your whatever the script you are writing, you don't write English as English only. Don't make it as a Japanese or Korean language. I request you. Okay? So everyone of your all the best. Prepare well and write well. Bye.